Oh, honey. If you think you've tasted a real chocolate cupcake, think again. Let me tell you. These are the cupcakes that'll have your family sneaking into the kitchen for just one more. I'm about to show you an easy recipe that's rich, moist, and just the right amount of chocolatey. No fancy equipment, just good old-fashioned love. First, preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a big mixing bowl, I whisk together a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't skimp here. Quality cocoa makes a world of difference. A cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Next, in goes half a cup of buttermilk, a third of a cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and a splash of vanilla extract. Stir it all until it's just combined. Don't overmix, darling. Let those tiny lumps be. And here's my secret. Pour in half a cup of hot coffee. It deepens the chocolate flavor and makes the cupcakes extra tender. Spoon the batter into your cupcake liners, about 2/3 full. Pop them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. When a toothpick comes out clean, they're ready. Let them cool, if you can wait that long. Now, frost with your favorite chocolate buttercream, or just dust with a little powdered sugar. Sometimes simple is perfect. Take a bite, and you'll see. This is chocolate cupcake heaven. Thank you so much for watching, my dear. I hope your kitchen smells just as wonderful as mine right now. Welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you never miss a taste of something new. See y'all next time.